Hello everyone, welcome to this new video of inheritance concepts. So we were talking about the concepts of inheritance and we now know that there are different types of inheritances, right? So after going on with the concept of single inheritance and multi-level inheritance, let's move on to the next type of inheritance. So number one point, that is called as multi-level inheritance. We have gone through that as well. Number third type is multi-level inheritance. Now what is multi-level inheritance? Let's have a look for that. Multi-level means if you have two classes A and B, then there you have the child class will be C. It simply means that if a class is having, it simply means that if a class C is there, okay, or we can say a child class, if a child class is having multiple parents, then or we can say that if a child class is inheriting its properties from multiple parents, this is called as multiple inheritance. Let's have a look for that as well. So for that, I definitely have to create three classes, right? So I will be creating the same name classes without creating any kind of chaos. So class B we have, then we have class C. Okay. Now as per our concept, we know that class A is the parent class, right? So it should act as the parent class for now. So I will write it here as parent class. Then we have it as child class, and then now we have class C, which is the child, sorry, this parent class is also the parent, this B class is also the parent class, right? We have the A class, which is acting as the parent class. We have the B class, which is also acting as the parent class. Now we have the C class, which is the child class, and this C, or we can say the child class is inheriting the properties of classes A and B. It means I am supposed to write it something like this: extends A, comma B, right? But if you can notice what it is going to tell me now, there is an error showing that syntax error on token this. It means that this is showing some kind of error. What kind of error? Should I write and over here? Should I write extends over here again? No. So the concept is that syntax error again. This is because in Java, multiple inheritance is not allowed. The concept is like that. Multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java. Why? There is an ambiguity. What kind of ambiguity? Let's just discuss it. So for example, if I have a method M over here in the parent class, hi from A class, I can also have the same structured method in class B, right? Now, if the scenario is that the C class is extending A and B both, it means it is extending the features, it is inheriting the features and properties of both of these classes. If it is doing so, of which class the C class object will execute the method? Will the M method, because obviously we will be creating the object of C class, right? Say for example I have created C, so if I will write C ob.m, obviously this object will be of C class. So kiska this M method will it execute? Is that of the A class or the B class? That ambiguity will arise, and in order to avoid that ambiguity, multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java. So this type of inheritance is never allowed in Java. Okay, this was one concern. Now the second concern, there is also another type of inheritance which is called as hybrid inheritance. So what does hybrid means? Hybrid means mixture of more than two types of inheritances. So we can say single plus multi-level, or single plus multiple, multi-level plus multiple. So if you can notice, in each of these were some of the examples of hybrid, right? Multiple is involved, right? But because multiple inheritance is not supported, therefore this kind of collaboration will also not support. Similarly, multi-level plus multiple will also not get supported. Therefore, the only two inheritances which are not allowed in Java are, one is multi-level and the second one is hybrid. These two type of inheritances are not supported in Java. Hope you guys understand the concept. Thank you very much.